Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel, Colorful Story Mind. So, happy Children's Day to all. Hope so you enjoyed the day. Do you know, in India, Children's Day is observed on 14th November. And 14th November is also considered to be the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 and died on 27th May 1964. He was Indian independence activist and the first Prime Minister of India. Chacha Nehru was loved by children so much that we call him as Chacha Nehru. So children, he was famous among children, loved children, and he also loved roses. He was really concerned for children. He said that children are the future of any country. He is considered to be pioneer of modern education of youth, and this led him to establish all the institutes that India is proud of today were founded in his time, that is our IITs, IIMs, NID, the Atomic Energy Commission, the precursor of ISRO, the Indian National Committee for Space Research, and many more such institutes. Seeing concern and love for children and youth, after his death, it was decided to celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Children's Day is celebrated universally, and so 20th November is observed as World's or Universal Children's Day. The idea of Universal Children's Day was initiated by late Shri V.K. Krishnan Menon and adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1954. The main motive behind celebrating Children's Day is a mere concern, is an important concern to spread awareness of children's rights, education and care that they require, because if they grow well, they can become and they will become the best and the backbone of our country, and not only our country, any country. So this was a short informative story about why we celebrate Children's Day in India on 14th November, that is on the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru and Chacha Nehru. When do we celebrate World Children's Day or Universal Children's Day? Who initiated and when we celebrate? Hope so you loved this information. Keep watching my channel, Colorful Story Mind, and listen to other stories on inspirational figures and folk tales. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and happy Children's Day once again.